Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Adegoke and I create content for non-programmers like me. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you how I built this tool called Google Search Operator Builder. So this tool was built with one prompt using Windsurf AI. The purpose of the tool is to use this kind of search operators found on this page to make it easier for people to search particular queries on Google. For instance, you can use it for job search. If I was looking for a job as a writer and I want to see the jobs that have been posted between the 1st of January 2025 and today, which is the 6th of January 2025, I'll come over to the keywords area and type in writers and then go over to the date and select 1st of January and 6th of January. Of course, you can see that it's generating the query right here. Is writing the search query for you with the advanced selections that you would have manually written by yourself if you go through the list of the search queries operators that are available for use on Google. Yeah, so I can as well specify the website I want to search from by coming over here. Could say Breezy HR, which is breezy.hr, and once I'm done with what I want to define, I'll just click on this. It opens up a new tab for me and it shows me my query. So this is the result I have gotten. Seems there isn't really some roles without title, but some of these ones I'm seeing here have writing as part of the what should I call it, be tasks, skills that are required. Yeah, so if I wanted it to be that I want writer to be in the header just like this, I'll just come over here and write this word writer, just put it in this space that says in title, or I could also use it in URL as well. So in title means this word must appear in the title, which is the H1 of any results that should be displayed here. Yeah, while in URL means the word must exist in the URL of the search results. So this is not the URL now, this is the URL right here. This is the URL, so that word must be in that URL. Okay, so because I limited it to first and between the past 6 days, that is why the result looks kind of dirty or not complete. But you could see that it actually works accurately. This is 3 days ago, 4 days ago. This is just 13 hours ago. So that is just for job search. It could be used for different kind of search as well. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how I built this tool with one prompt. As I said earlier, I'm a non-programmer, so I don't know how to write codes, Java, Python, and all of these things. So I understand basic HTML, like very basic. I've never written a full HTML code, to make a website or something before, but I know H1, I know H2. Yeah, so if you are in zero tech person, you are just like me. Yeah, but you can build something like this using this tool called Windsurf AI. So most likely this is not the first time you're hearing of Windsurf AI. Yeah, but of course, knowing what you can do and how you can use it is very important. So I built this tool by coming over to this content by AHREFs, a Google search operator blog post, that contains, I think, the most comprehensive online the search operators that Google has. Yeah. So what I did was to simply copy. I just copied everything like so. Of course, not with the author's bio. Copied to not. I don't even need the final points, final thoughts. I mean, so copied all of this. Copy. Came over to Windsurf and said, make a Google search operator tool with this content. Use basic setup, including this. Use basic setup for this, and just to correct this spacing. This basic setup for this, and just pasted in the code, the what I've copied, and enter, and waited for Windsurf to do its work. So there is a difference between what Windsurf looked like when I used it that time, because this is about 2 or 3 months ago. Yeah, now their current free version doesn't write files for you. So I'll just say yes. Okay, this is what I was trying to explain earlier. When I used the free version some months ago, Windsurf will literally create the folder of whatever you're creating on your PC so you can try it out. But now that function has been moved to the paid version. So you have to manually create the files and the folders yourself and copy the codes from Windsurf into them, and then you can try them out on your browser. But it wasn't like that when I used uh, Windsurf earlier on, like the free version. And again, aside from that, so it seems Windsurf is trying to use some kind of Python or something. So I'm going to give it another prompt and say use basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for this. And this is to make it easy for me to host on my regular web hosting space. I mean, I can still understand to an extent the structure of like the basic CSS, HTML, and Java, not Python, and some other kind of things. If you're a programmer, please pardon my ignorance. Exactly. So this is what I'm looking for, something as simple as this. So I'm going to show you the folder where it's created the previous one I was using. So this is the folder that it created, Windsurf created for me. That is what I used for this website right here. And I'm going to show you exactly how it is hosted. Yeah, so this is the folder here. It's included a script. This is the JavaScript. I think this is the PHP, HTML, the logo. So let's go back to Windsurf and see what it has done already. Okay, JavaScript, CSS, HTML. So to see how this would look, I'll have to copy all of these files and create this. For this it will be a JavaScript, save it as .js. This one I'll save it as .css. I can do that with my regular notepad here, yeah. But if you're using the paid version of Windsurf, you don't have to do that. It's going to create the folders for you, just like it did for me under your Cascade project. So what you need to do is to basically come to your browser and open up the files it has created for you. So this is how it will look like. This is a preview, not the one that has gone live. So to make it live on your website, you just need to come to your hosting space. I have a video which can look at the video on the right corner of this video here, right here. You could see how to host that, but you basically come to your files on your hosting space and upload the files from the folder on your desktop. You just upload them into your hosting space, and the name of the URL of the file, the name of the file, that would be the URL of the that will lead you to the tool. Okay, so to recap, I copied all of these texts, came to Windsurf AI, of course the free version, and asked it to create a tool from all of the content I have pasted. So it created these files for me, and I uploaded the files to my server. I host it A2 hosting, and once I uploaded them, they were live at this URL. But I hope you have learned something from this. If it's not still clear to you what I did, please ask in the comments and I would explain it to you, and make it whatever you need clarity on, I'll be happy to explain to you. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel.